Welcome back, children. Welcome to e-learning science classes. So, let us get started with a new lesson today. We all know that there are various types of living things on earth. Animals, plants, birds, human beings, and many more. But children, do you know that there are some small living things which we cannot see? Yes, there are tiny living things which we cannot see with our naked eyes. These are known as microbes. So children, today we will learn about microbes. Microbes are small living things which we cannot see with our naked eyes. So, how we will know that microbes do exist? By using a microscope. Microscope is a machine which helps us to see the tiny things around us. These tiny living things are called microorganisms or microbes. Microbes are present everywhere, in water, in the soil, in air, and even in our body. Yes, microbes are also present inside our body. Microbes grow rapidly whenever they get air, moisture, and warmth. There are four main types of microbes: bacteria, virus, protozoa, and fungi. So, let us study these different microbes one by one. Bacteria. Bacteria are a group of simple single-celled living things. They are of different shapes. Bacteria are found everywhere, in soil, in air, water, and in all animals and plants. They reproduce by just breaking into half. So, bacteria give birth to a new one by just dividing itself. Some bacteria cause diseases such as tuberculosis, cholera, pneumonia, typhoid, etc. So these bacteria are not good. These are bad bacteria. But children, there are some good bacteria also. Some bacteria are used in making food such as curd and cheese. Bacteria also help us to digest our food. Some bacteria also help in the decay of dead plants and animals. So there are some good bacteria and bad bacteria. Now let us learn about virus. Viruses are smaller than bacteria. They become active inside the living beings. They are also found everywhere. Viruses are of different shapes. Viruses cause diseases like a smallpox, flu, common cold, and polio. Now children, we all know that a virus nowadays is causing a pandemic around the world. Yes, you are correct. It is coronavirus. So coronavirus is a bad virus. Why? Because it is causing diseases. So what should we do to keep ourselves safe from this coronavirus? We should wash our hands frequently because coronavirus may transmit or transfer from one person to another through our hands, or it also enters a human body through nose or mouth. So it is advised that we should wash our hands frequently, and also we should use a mask. So what are the golden rule to protect ourselves from this coronavirus? We should wear mask whenever we go out. We should keep distance from sick people. Avoid crowded places. Wash your hands frequently. Avoid contaminated objects and wear gloves whenever you go out. Stay safe, stay healthy. Now, let us learn about next microbe, that is fungi. Fungi is a type of microbe that grow on dead things. Some of them, like mold, are big. Like bacteria, fungi are plants. They grow on dead or decaying material. Due to the absence of green pigment, chlorophyll, they do not make their own food. Now, there are some useful fungi. Some fungi, like yeast, help in making of bread and wine. And also, some fungi are used in making medicines. Now, there are some fungi which causes skin problem and different diseases. Fungi also spoil the bread. So, there are some good fungi and bad fungi also. Now let us learn about protozoa. Protozoa are single-celled microorganisms. Diseases like malaria and dysentery are caused by protozoa. Protozoa are bigger as compared to the bacteria. They live in wet places. Some protozoa also live in the bodies of animals and plants. Now children, we know that malaria is caused by the mosquito bite. But do you know that the protozoa actually causes the malaria? The mosquito carries the protozoa microbe and it transmits to our body when it bites us. This causes malaria. So, similarly, protozoa can also be carried with other insects like cockroaches, ants, and many more. So, it is advised that we should never eat uncovered food. Always wash the food before you eat, or cook the food properly, refrigerate it, and do not eat the stale food. So I hope you all have learned about the 4 kinds of microbes: bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay home, and thank you.